Morning students, hello, how are you? Welcome back on my YouTube channel, Your English Tutor. If you are new, if you do not click on the subscription button, you should click on the subscription button, then you can get the notification every day. Today I have taken a topic that today I'm going to talk about the comparative English of Indian and the Britishers. I found that there are a lot of people that they are complaining against that, sir, we are good speakers of English language, but I am saying that you are not a good speaker of English. You have to use the so many protocols that it was made by the Britishers and they are using in their language skills. I'm talking about the Britisher styles. How are they speaking English? So it's not their accent that I'm talking to you. I'm not particularly focusing on this video about the accent. I'm talking about the rules and the protocols. How are they speaking and how are they not speaking? First, I start that how are they speaking? They start to speak about that. They don't use much grammar skills. According to the rules of their Oxford University, they have made that we have to continuously speak in English every day. So they make it a fun. They use it like the nourishment of their English. If what are they not using? I'm saying that they are not using the grammar skills. If I talk about the Indian standards of English, our English students, like we are speaking in an English language, so we focus more on the grammars and we use so much protocols on of grammar rules. So we are good on our skill, but wherever we have to speak, so we have to speak fluently and comparatively. If we are speaking in an international language, if we want to become an international speaker of English, we have to use we have to control our barriers. Like, what do you mean by the barriers are the grammar rules. So many times I have seen that we are going in a deep, so in a deep that we are forgetting our sketch, we are forgetting our applications. We need to abhor so many things, but according to the Britishers, they are saying that you should not use grammars. If you want to speak continuously and vigorously, you should be very determination about your speaking. Only just you need to speak every day. You need to uh, cross the boundaries of your speaking language. I have found so many Indians that they are speaking in very well versed. So I found so many things. Just I like the most that they talk about that how can you speak fluently. You need to keep practicing about English speaking. Our Indian speakers think that our Indian speakers means, what are they thinking? That they are thinking that we can learn English for half an hour. No, you have to pay attention 3 4 hours for speaking. You have to read, listen, and even they are the podcast. So they are playing a major role to improve your English. And I found so many things in British accents. So even I'm learning British accent, but what do you know about that? So that I am so vigorously, I'm very determined to speak on my channel. I'm going to give all the informations and all the details that you can lead towards your success of English. And every day that you should be very uh, you have to use this powerful weapon. Like, what is the powerful weapon? If you are going to give an interview, so you should think that in Indian office that they are focusing more on the grammar, not on the speakings. But this trend is just going to change, and they on YouTube I have